Chief Minister Conrad Sangma of Meghalaya graced the closing ceremony of the 50th anniversary celebrations of the Meghalaya Board of School Education Mbose at Greenhaven in Tura on the 19th of October 2023. The Golden Jubilee's theme was honoring the past, embracing the present, and charting the future. Conrad Sangma was the chief guest, joined by the Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma as the guest of honor and D.P. Walang, the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, as the special guest. The three-day Golden Jubilee extravaganza, which kicked off on October 17th with a spirited bike rally, featured a medley of cultural events. In his address, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma underscored the pivotal role of the youth in propelling the state's progress, emphasizing their potential to exhibit, perform, and excel in achieving success.
Is a very, very long time. And to hear the different achievements that Mbose has achieved in the last 50 years, through many challenges and many difficulties, to see it come out and overcome those challenges is something that is really inspiring. Tribute and remembrance to those leaders who had the vision to bring out different policies when the state was just born, with the kind of challenges they faced during those times. I can't even imagine them. And having to make tough decisions with limited resources, we owe it to them. And every single citizen of the state, on this particular day, when we celebrate 50 years of the Meghalaya Board of Education, we must pay tribute and remember those leaders who have contributed and made Mbose what it was. To ensure that we keep these youngsters right at the center of what we are trying to do for our state. It's not about building the school. It's not just about different schemes that we have. Sometimes governments focus too much on scheme-based governance. Scheme-based governance is a very, very narrow way of looking at things. Because when you look at a scheme, you only want to implement the scheme and you don't understand what the purpose of implementing the scheme is. And that is a disaster, or that is not achieving the goal which we are here to achieve. We keep the eye on the ball. We keep the youth in front of us. We are here with a purpose to shape our youth. We shape them in the right direction. We take them in the right direction. We nurture them. We make them productive. We make them God-fearing. We make them patriotic.